rodent detector cards in half and place them in different locations. Choose locations that are sheltered, where rodents feel safe eating, and avoid open or busy spots. The right trap location increases your chances of catching them. If you see bite marks on your rodent detector cards, this is a great place to install your trap. Remove the gas canister and press firmly on the two tabs while sliding the tree mount down to release it. Screw the trap mount onto a straight tree or post, about a hand width above the ground. Do not over-tighten the screws, or you won't be able to mount the trap. Tilt the trap body slightly and lower it onto the top locking tab of the trap. As you press downwards, the trap body will lock in place with a click. If you're using a trap stand, simply attach the trap to the stand in the same way. Remove the black cap from the gas canister. Screw the canister firmly into the trap and hand tighten. Your trap is now live. Slide the counter from the bottom of the gas canister and rotate it anti-clockwise as you ease it up. The counter display and button must face directly away from the trap. To test fire the trap, reach a twig up the trap entrance and push the trigger gently to the side. The striker will fire with a bang. Never put your hand or fingers inside the trap. The counter will display the strike number. To display the strike count again, simply press the button. Zero the counter by pressing the button and holding it down for a few seconds until it flashes and displays 2 zeros. Remove the 10-cent coin to activate the automatic lure pump and push it into the shroud cap until its edge sits aligned with the rim of the shroud. Unscrew the cap and wipe this excess lure below your trap to start attracting rodents. Screw the automatic lure pump in first with a few turns. Then push the cap down and screw it in until you hear a click. Your A24 trap is ready to go.